Dear students, now shall discuss the next question. I think it is fourth question. See the question. If the roots of the equation, this is the given quadratic equation. This is of the form ax square plus bx. Here x must be there. So this is x. AC, bc minus ed into x. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 for. So the roots of this equation are equal. Again same concept. Already we solved this type of question. So roots of this equation are equal. Show that we have to prove this. AC plus BD equal to 0. Okay. Now let us compare this equation with the standard form. Let us write the given equation. A square plus B square into x square plus 2 into BC minus ADX plus C square plus D square is equal to 0. Now write the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus capital C equal to 0. I have to take different. Already small ABC already used here. So we'll take capital ABC now. Now here capital A is nothing but what? A square plus B square. And now capital B is nothing but what? 2 into BC minus AD. And one more, capital C. It is nothing but what? Small c square plus d square. Okay. Now, they said that the roots of this equation are equal. What it means? The roots are equal means the discriminant must be equal to 0. It means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So, here b square is nothing but capital B have to take. B square minus 4 ac, capital A I should take here. Capital A, capital C is equal to 0. By using this concept, we have to prove this. Okay. Now, b square. So let us take b first. That is 2 into bc minus ad whole square. That is b square minus 4a. A value is a square plus b square into c. So c is nothing but what? Small c square plus d square is equal to 0. We got one equation. We have to simplify this. Now 2 square, it is nothing but 4 into, this is of the form a minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square, it is nothing but b square c square plus this a square d square minus 2abcd minus 2ab. It is nothing but 2abcd. Okay. Now next one, minus 4 into, inside I have to multiply a square into c square, that is a square c square, a square into d square plus a square d square. Then next a over a square over, next b square plus b square c square plus b square and d square, b square d square is equal to 0. Now let us multiply 4. It will become 4b square c square plus 4a square d square minus 4 to the 8 abcd minus 4a square c square, then minus 4a square d square minus 4b square c square minus 4b square d square. Okay. Now, is there any same terms here? A square d square plus 4a square d square minus 4a square d square get cancelled. Is there any other terms? See here plus 4b square c square, here minus 4b square c square. These terms also will get cancelled. Now remaining terms are these. Okay. First I'll write these two terms. What is that? Minus 4a square c square, then minus 4b square d square, then one more here, minus 8abcd is equal to 0. Now we can take a minus 4 common. I will send it to the right side. Minus 4 first you take common, then you can send it to right side. what will be there in LHS? In LHS, a square c square, this will become plus b square d square, and this will become plus 2 a b c d. Okay, when you are getting this step by taking minus 4 as common. Okay, then after minus 4 goes to right side, it will become 0. And up to here we got the next step. See here, I want the answer as AC plus BD equal to 0. Now this is of the form a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to, okay, means a plus b whole square formula it is. So I'll write this as AC whole square. Can I write it? This a square c square can be written as AC whole square plus BD can be the BD square, that is nothing but BD whole square. B square D square nothing but BD whole square. Then now plus 2 into ABCD, I can write it as AC into BD. Can I write it? AC into BD is equal to 0. See here, ABCD only. So ABCD I write it as AC into BD. Same I am getting. Now this is of the form a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, here a is nothing but what? AC. B is nothing but what? BD. So it means a plus b whole square, that is AC plus BD whole square is equal to 0. Right? Now I'll take this square to the right side. It will become square root. Square root of 0 is what? 0 only. So here I am getting a AC plus BD is equal to 0. Okay. Hence we proved that AC plus BD equal to 0. Next question. See the question. If minus 4 is a root of the equation x square plus px it is x square plus px minus 4 equal to 0, and the equation x square plus px plus q is equal to 0 has equal roots. Minus 4 is the root of this equation, and so these two equations have equal roots. These two equations have equal roots. Then find the values of p and q. There are two unknowns, p and q. We have to find it. Now let us take one equation. If I write x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is one equation, quadratic equation. If you solve this equation, you will get two roots. Now I will take the first root. I will take the root as minus 1. If you are getting the root as minus 1 of this equation, you substitute this root in the given equation, you must get LHS and RHS are equal. Okay. So when it is, if the root, the equation having any root, that root you have to substitute in the given equation, you must get the LHS and RHS are equal. Now similarly, the same concept I will use here. Minus 4 is the root of this equation. Okay, minus 4 is the root of this equation. It means x equal to minus 4 you are getting. After solving this equation, you get x equal to minus 4. Now I can substitute x equal to minus 4 here. So I must get LHS equal to RHS. Now let us take the first condition, first equation, that is x square plus px minus 4 is equal to 0. Now I can substitute minus 4 here. So that is minus 4 square plus p into, in place of x only, in place of x I can substitute minus 4. Then minus 4 is equal to 0 I must take. Okay. So that is equal to 0. Now from here I can find the value of p, that is unknown here. Okay. So minus 4 is the root of this equation. Therefore I can substitute x value as minus 4 in this given equation. Okay. Now minus 4 square, that is 16 minus 4p minus 4 is equal to 0. 16 minus 4, that is 12 minus 4p is equal to 0. Now here I am getting 4p is equal to what? 12. So divide LHS and RHS by 4. What will you get? P is equal to 3 I am getting. Okay. The value of p as 3. So that is we got a p value. Then one more is q we have to find. For that, let us take this equation. The equation x square plus px plus q equal to 0 has equal roots. The roots of this equation are equal. What it means? Discriminant must be equal to 0. By using that concept, we can find the value of q. Already we got the value of p now. Now, let us take the second equation. Let x square plus px plus q is equal to 0. Now we'll substitute the value of p. So p already we got, that is 3. X square plus 3x plus q is equal to 0. Okay. Now, so this is of the form what? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now here a is equal to how much? 1. B is equal to 3. And c is equal to how much? Q. So this is the unknown, we have to find it. The roots of this equation are equal. What it means? Discriminant is equal to 0. Now let us use that condition. Discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now b value how much it is? 3 square minus 4 into a value is 1 into c value how much? Q. That we have to find is equal to 0. So 3 square it is 9 minus 4q is equal to 0. Now what you will get? 4q is equal to 9. So q is equal to how much? Q is equal to 9 divided by 4. Now we got the value of p and q. Solve the following for x. Now this is next one. Solve the following for x. We have to simplify this. We have to find the value of x. Already we solved the same type of question. So I think there it was a. Here I am getting 2a. So there it was x. Here it is 2x. That is the only difference. 2a and 2x. Okay. The same procedure I will follow now. So first term, I will take this term to the left side. So what I will get? 1 divided by 2a plus b plus 2x. So this will become minus 1 divided by 2x is equal to 1 divided by 2a plus 1 divided by b. Now let us take LCM here. What is the LCM? Here LCM will be 2x into 2a plus b plus 2x. In the numerator it will become plus 2x. Now here minus sign was there. So minus into plus it is minus 2a. Minus into plus it is minus b. Minus into plus it is minus 2x. Now this is equal to, here also LCM, that is 2a into b, that is 2ab. Now in numerator what you will get? In numerator, so you are getting it as b plus 2a. Now here plus 2x minus 2x will get cancelled. Let us take a minus sign common here. I will take minus sign common inside plus 2a plus b denominator. Now let us multiply this. That will become what? 4, or otherwise I will cancel 2 first. So I can cancel 2 here. Now I will multiply x. What it will become? 2ax plus bx plus, this will become 2x square, right? Is equal to, right side what will be there? 2a plus b divided by, what is the remaining? Remaining here is ab. Now here I can cancel 2a plus b, 2a plus b. Now let us make cross multiplication. This will come this side, it will become minus ab, right? Now this goes to numerator, so means right side. Now remember, 2x square plus 2ax plus bx is equal to, 2ax plus bx. Okay, so in LHS minus ab is there. Now let us take this minus ab to the right side. What will get? So 2x square plus 2ax plus bx plus ab is equal to 0. This ab goes to that side. Now in these two, I can take common as 2x. Can I take 2x as the common? Now here 2x I will take common. Inside x plus a I am getting. X plus a. Now in these two I can take common as b. In these two common term is b. I will take plus b outside. Inside what will be there? X plus a. X plus a is equal to 0. Now this is one term, this is another term. The common factor is what? X plus a. Now what is the remaining? 2x plus b. 2x plus b is equal to 0. Now we got product of two terms. So now first term I will take x plus a is equal to 0, or one more, 2x plus b is equal to 0. Now here I am getting x is equal to what? X is equal to minus a, or here 2x is equal to minus b. It means what? X is equal to minus b divided by 2. Okay. So these are the two values of x I am getting. Minus a and one more is minus b by 2.